Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Adobe Workfront and whether it's worth getting in 2025. So, Adobe Workfront is a project management and work collaboration platform aimed at enterprise teams. It's designed to manage complex workflows from marketing campaigns to software development cycles. In 2025, Workfront continues to position itself as a centralized hub for planning, execution, and real-time visibility. So here's what stands out. First, the integrations. Workfront syncs deeply with Adobe Creative Cloud, Experience Manager, Microsoft Teams, Slack, and even CRMs like Salesforce. This what makes it great fit with for marketing and creative teams. Second, the automation and templates. Teams can automate task assignments, approval flows, and reporting. The dashboard provides an excellent overview of team performance and deadlines. However, there are downsides. The interface can feel overwhelming for new users. Smaller businesses may also find it too expensive, especially when bundled with Adobe's other enterprise offerings. The mobile experience is decent, but some advanced project controls are easier to manage on desktop. So in summary, get Adobe Workfront if you are managing large teams that needs Adobe integrations and value enterprise level project visibility. You should pass on it if you are a smaller team looking for a simpler or more affordable solution like ClickUp or Asana. So, if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.